Hey there, darling. This is Faith Hunter, author, global wellness expert, and your guide to soulful living. It's time for us to step into that airy glow of the full moon in Gemini, happening on December 4th, 2025. Now, this moon is inviting us to soften the mind, open the heart, but also release the stories that no longer honor who we are becoming. It's the end of the year, babe. It's time to what? Let go. Now, in this recording, I want to walk you through, of course, the astrological energy around this full moon, what it's asking you to release and let go, and how to let this lunar moment support you and help you in softening the mental noise, how it's going to open your voice and reconnect you to a little clarity. And then, of course, at the end, I'm going to guide you through a grounded, heart centered, full moon meditation based on this Gemini energy. It's simple, soothing, and I must say, it's going to be restorative. So take a deep breath with me, exhale slowly, and grab a cup of tea or a glass of wine, and let's get started. This full moon in Gemini is illuminating the landscape of your inner dialogue. It's the quiet thoughts, the inherited beliefs. I mean, from like your people, your ancestors. You know what I'm talking about. And those that have possibly impacted your entire life. It's also about the stories that you repeat to yourself. I'm pausing because I want you to think about that. What negative stories are you repeating when no one else is listening? It's time to let go of that negative self talk. Now, this full moon also shines a gentle but undeniable light on miscommunications, some suppressed thoughts, or even some stuff that may be a little emotionally heavy. Here's the deal. This lunation activates the Gemini Sagittarius axis. That's the bridge between the mental realm and the realm of deep truth. Gemini, ruled by Mercury. It's the planet of language, perception, and communication. It brings thoughts to the surface, often in ways that may feel quick and rapid. It's also revealing, or depending on who you are and how all of your personal planets align, it may be unexpectedly honest during this time. Under this moon, there may be some old stories that rise for inspection. So take out your magnifying glass, dive into clarity, sharpen your eyes, and be aware of the conversations you're having and avoiding. I don't want you to ignore them. I want you to breathe through them. It's a moment when your mind has the opportunity to open up. So allow yourself to be vulnerable. Truth is stirring. Be present and breathe. And yeah, the inner and outer dialogue of your life is beginning to align, but not in a bad way. Because when you're present, when you're allowing yourself to feel all the feels, you're letting go of the old patterns and behaviors, and you are allowing yourself to align to your personal authenticity. Now, across the sky sits the sun in Sagittarius. It's reminding us to step back, pause, and breathe. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that during this particular reading, but to pause and breathe. And I want you to look at the big picture, the bigger picture, the gigantic picture. You see, Sagittarius is asking, is this thought even true? Is this story that I'm telling myself aligned with who I am becoming, who I am as I step into 2026? Is this belief rooted in fear or in expansion? The full moon creates a moment where you can see your patterns clearly. And I don't want you to judge yourself. Instead, I want you to see it, let it go, and release all the things that no longer fits. Because, babe, I don't need you to carry this into 2026. Okay? I'm being clear. Don't take it with you. You see, there's a subtle but meaningful influence from Neptune. Now, this Neptune little energy is softening the edges of your mind, and it's inviting you back into intuition, compassion, and emotional honesty. As you breathe, pause, move through the next few days, notice if communication has felt or is currently feeling a little murky or confusing. Don't stress. This moon will help you to untangle those knots. That's the importance of pausing, breathing, and taking a moment to be still and listen. Here's some other things you may notice. You may notice some spiraling thoughts. You may also notice a desire for honest communication. Your intuition may actually be heightened. Some old stories may surface to the top, and that's okay. There also may be a longing for clarity and simplicity, so that's a perfect time to let go and release so that you can have space, mental space, soulful space. And then the last thing you may notice the need to express yourself in a softer and much more aligned way. Now, I haven't shared this in other readings, but I think it's important as we move into the new year. Here's the medicine. Gemini teaches us that clarity comes when we release the noise. This moon is definitely the perfect time to let go of overthinking, mental chatter, self doubt, looping narratives that no longer serve, confusion, internal and external, people pleasing patterns, and stories. I'm going to say this again, stories you inherited and no longer believe. Now, I listed a couple of things there, and I encourage you to take a moment and maybe just journal your thoughts over the next few days of the things that you no longer want to take into this next year, this next season. I want you to know also, this full moon wants you to open space. It's here to help you make space mentally, spiritually, and emotionally. And I find one of the best ways to do that is to tap into the depth of your breath. So give yourself about 2 to 5 minutes of long, deep breathing, and then grab your pen and paper and journal what you no longer want to carry into the next year. Because, babe, this particular full moon is your invitation to return to your voice, your rhythm, and your way of speaking and living that feels honest, grounded, and whole. Now take a deep breath with me. Exhale, empty out. And let's move into this meditation. Wherever you are, find a moment of stillness, or if you're walking, take long, deep breaths. The eyes may remain opened or closed. Know that you can sit or rest on your back. And again, if you're walking, just breathe with us. As the breath comes in slowly, I want you to allow your body to settle. And as you exhale, the mind is calm. Bring your attention right between your brow. Breathe deeply. Allow the earth to hold and cradle you. And begin to imagine that full moon shining above. It's bright. It shimmers. And you feel that lightness of the Gemini energy. The full moon glows and pours its softness over the crown of your head, your forehead. That light pours into and across your lips, your throat, and moves into your chest. Now these beams of light start to dissolve tension, clears mental fog, and softens your thoughts. Continue to breathe deeply in and out, and feel that breath move through your throat, the center of your chest, and allowing you to open, soften, and expand. I want you to whisper to yourself, I release what no longer speaks my truth. I let go of thoughts that weigh me down. I am safe to express. I am safe to be seen. Begin to imagine a soft breeze sweeping through your mind, clearing out old stories, outdated beliefs, and cluttered thoughts. Imagine it releasing the looming, spiraling conversations. Let it all drift away. Don't force it. Simply exhale and allow them to release. Now bring your awareness to your heart. Feel its steady rhythm, its calming truth, and its depth of compassion. Inside your heart, there's warmth, brightness, and honesty. Allow it to expand, filling up your rib cage and your belly and your entire being. This is your clarity, your truth, your inner voice returning home. Breathe in. Exhale out a big sigh. And give yourself another minute to stay here in the moment, to feel the softness, the spaciousness, and the clarity of your inner light. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, empty out. Start to move in any way that feels natural and organic for you. And as you stretch, move, and maybe blink your eyes open, know that if this resonated with you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course, subscribe for more soulful guidance. And whenever you're ready to transform from the inside out, come on home to the Spiritually Fly membership. This isn't a library of class, it's the living sanctuary for your evolution. And inside you will find guided meditations, somatic movement, breath work, and nervous system rituals. Each practice is designed to help you come back to yourself, your truth, and your sense of safety. All right, darling, take another deep breath with me. Exhale slowly. Thank yourself for showing up and being in this moment of softness, ease, and divine timing. During this full moon phase, may you continue to release what no longer serves you and honor your inner voice and truth. Until next time, stay soft, stay grounded, and always stay spiritually fly. Ciao.